Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever seen that dreaded check engine light pop up on your dashboard, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, today we're checking out the top 5 OBD2 scanners that will help you quickly diagnose your car's engine problems and get you back on the road in no time. Whether you're a DIY car owner or a pro mechanic, these scanners will save you a lot of time and money. Let's dive in. Product 1, AFS QIORE OBD2 Scanner. Alright, let's kick things off with the AFS QIORE OBD2 Scanner. This little gadget is a full system diagnostic tool that works with a huge variety of cars. It covers over 11 major brands, including Nissan, Toyota, Honda, and Ford. So no matter what car you drive, it's pretty likely this tool will work with it. With this scanner, you can check engine codes, ABS anti-lock braking system, SRS airbag system, and much more. You'll be able to check real-time data, which means you can monitor things like your battery health, engine temperature, and other important stats while you drive. It also comes with a 2.8-inch screen, which is clear and easy to read, even if you're working on your car in bright sunlight. And don't worry about confusing menus. The interface is straightforward, so you won't get lost in a bunch of settings. Plus, it's powered by your car, so you don't need to worry about charging it. Just plug it in and start scanning. Product 2, ANCEL AD310. Next, let's talk about the ANCEL AD310 OBD2 scanner. This one is a fan favorite, with over 56,000 reviews. If you're looking for something simple to help you check that check engine light, this is a great option. The 2.4-inch screen is smaller, but it still gives you all the information you need. This scanner reads and clears engine codes, shows live data, and lets you check vehicle readiness, which is helpful when you need to pass an emissions test. What I really like about the ANCEL AD310 is how easy it is to use. Just plug it into your car's OBD2 port, and within seconds, it will tell you what's wrong. It supports all cars made after 1996 in the US and after 2000 in Europe, so it's pretty universal. It's also great for anyone who wants to avoid paying for an expensive mechanic visit just to get the engine light checked. It's affordable, portable, and gets the job done. Product 3, ANCEL AD530. Now let's check out the ANCEL AD530 OBD2 scanner. If you want something a little more advanced, this tool has all the great features of the AD310, but with some extra cool stuff. One of the biggest upgrades with the AD530 is the live data tracking. It lets you see real-time stats like your RPM, revolutions per minute, engine temperature, and sensor voltage. This is awesome because you can spot any irregularities or issues as they happen. And it doesn't stop there. This scanner is also a battery tester. It checks your car's battery health and gives you a readout on its condition. No more guessing when your battery is about to die. Plus, this one is super fast. The upgraded chip makes scanning twice as fast as older models, saving you time. If you need more details, it also gives you a code definition database, so you don't need to search online for what each error means. Product 4, TOPDON TopScan OBD2 Scanner. Alright, let's move on to something a little fancier. Meet the TOPDON TopScan OBD2 Scanner. This one is a wireless scanner, so you can connect it directly to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Once you've got it connected, you can control your car's ECU, that's the electronic control unit, remotely. This is awesome because you can do things like test the AC, windows, and even the sunroof. It makes locating problems way faster because you don't need to open up the hood or get your hands dirty. And it supports 8+ reset functions like oil reset, ABS bleeding, and even airbag reset. If you've ever had to pay a mechanic for those resets, you'll know that this will save you a lot of money. One more cool thing about the TopScan is that it also supports performance testing, so you can check how well your car is running. You can even test your car's speed and engine displacement efficiency. How awesome is that? Product 5, ANCEL AD610 Pro OBD2 Scanner. Last but not least, we have the ANCEL AD610 Pro OBD2 Scanner. If you need something with a lot of advanced features, this is the tool for you. The AD610 Pro has auto-win technology, which means it will automatically detect your car's make and model. That's perfect for people who want to skip the hassle of manual input and get straight to the diagnostics. This tool is also great for diagnosing ABS, anti-lock braking system, and SRS, airbag systems. It lets you reset your ABS, clear any warning lights, and even perform ABS auto-bleeding to remove air from the brake lines, ensuring your brakes are in top condition. It also includes advanced resets for oil lights, EPB, electronic parking brake, and even SAS, steering angle sensor calibration. So if you have a car with more complex systems, the AD610 Pro has got you covered. So there you have it. These are the top 5 OBD2 scanners that can help you quickly diagnose and fix car problems right from your own garage. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional mechanic, these tools will save you time and money. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss more awesome car tips. See you next time.